Jai Shri Mataji. On behalf of more than 3,000 Sahaja Yoga meditation centers of India, we welcome you all, brothers and sisters, and all new seekers, for today's meditation session, which is broadcasted on Learning Sahaja Yoga YouTube channel. See, yesterday, in last session, we have learned how to meditate at home. We know how to work at home, work from home. So, meditation from home. A very simple and powerful technique. Did you try this morning or yesterday evening? If not, just follow the same video again, from where the raising of Kundalini, taking Bandhan and doing balancing and meditation is taught to you. Every morning, whenever you get up, just freshen up and meditate for 10 minutes. It is beneficial for ourselves. Today, we are going to learn how to do cleansing of our body internally. You have learned there are 3 channels, 7 energy centers. Few hundred thousands are the Kundalini threads. Every time we go out, we meet people, we talk to people, we receive calls, we do a lot of work, we meet friends, relatives. Every time either we are dealing with people or situation. Every person or every situation, every activity brings a deep impact on our 3 channel and 7 energy centers. Some phone calls or some situation may bring worry to you. Some situation may excite you. Some situation may depress you. Some people may try to trouble you. Some may give you confidence. Some may be responsible for losing our confidence. Some will create discomfort. Every situation and every people around us can make imbalances in our chakra. So what to do? Avoid the people or situation? No. We have to face every situation. We have to face every person. We have to face all the difficulties. Now, all these circumstances, if they are creating imbalance in our energy center and our channel, the easiest thing is, through Sahaja Yoga meditation, we can cleanse them. So today we are going to learn a technique called foot soaking. And I am sure, as we requested you yesterday, you have bought aluminum or any metal tub, and you can pour a good normal tap water, have a rock salt, and just do the foot soaking. This foot soaking will clean our right and left channel. See, our right channel, it has the impact of sun energy. Now, the sun creates the heat. So, through all our right side activity, means by way of doing all kind of work, our right channel gets heated up. It has to be cooled down. Even our liver, it resides on right channel. It has to be also cooled down. So, by way of foot soaking, we bring our right channel into balance. All energy center gets clean. And initially, we may be getting hot vibrations flowing out of the palm, but slowly, out of making foot soaking as our habit, you will find a change among ourselves, that your cool vibrations are improving a lot. So, foot soaking is a daily lifestyle. Unless and until you do it, you may not experience it. So, first today, our Sahajogini sister, Priyanka, she will teach you how to do foot soak at home. After foot soak, again we'll do meditation. Are you ready? Let's try. Foot soak.
Jai Shri Mataji. We welcome once again all the seekers of truth. Today, we are going to learn a purification technique called foot soaking or salt water treatment. This treatment, as we said, is for the clearance or purification of our 7 energy centers and channels. So let us see how do we do this technique. First, we have to give ourselves a bandhan, right? The way we had learnt earlier. And then let us see what all we need for this method. So, firstly, we need a tub, a metal tub of water. This water in it should be about the depth of our ankle. After this, we need another container of water which contains clean water, and we need one cloth for wiping our feet. Just remember one thing, that this cloth and this tub, once used for foot soak, in general, it should be avoided to be used for anything else like taking a bath or washing utensils. Next, we need salt. This is sea salt or rock salt that we will use for this method. The main aim of this method, or what this method does, is that foot soak does, is that when we practice this daily, it slowly purifies and clears our chakras, especially the lower 3 chakras, and helps us in gaining better concentration, better memory, gives us more satisfaction and peace, makes us peaceful so that we can go on to the next stage of meditation. Right. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the salt, and this is approximately 3 small fistfuls of salt, and we are going to put it into the water. Next, we already have a diya or a lamp lit here, so we all will light a lamp in front of Shrimataji's photograph before we sit for foot soak. If you don't have Shrimataji's photograph, a physical copy of the photograph with you, then you can have Shrimataji's photograph on your laptop or your mobile or your TV. Right. So how we begin is that first of all we give ourselves a bandhan. We raise our kundalini and give ourselves a bandhan. And before that we pray to Shrimataji that Your Holiness Shrimataji, please let us have this foot soak technique as you have taught us, for us to have clearance of our chakras and nadis, channels. This is a very short method, technique, which has to be done for 5, maximum 10 minutes. So let us give ourselves a bandhan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 2 knots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3 knots. This was raising Kundalini. Now we take Bandhan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Now we give a bandhan to this water 7 times in the clockwise direction. This helps to give positivity into this water and to activate the elements here. Now, like we said, this technique has to be done with open eyes. And we also give bandhan to this water. How we do this is by giving it vibrations in the clockwise direction 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This activates the positivity of these elements and then it becomes useful for our clearance. We place our feet into the water and we sit with open eyes. When we have Shrimataji's photograph in front of us, we look at her photograph, especially her bindi. Now, what do we do? So, we place our left hand in front of us and right hand towards Mother Earth and we pray, Dear Mother, by your grace, let all the imbalances of our left channel be absorbed into the Mother Earth. We keep our attention completely on the left hand and witness what we feel if something is being pulled into the Mother Earth. Next step, we take our right hand back on the lap and raise the left hand towards the sky and we pray to Shri Mataji, Your Holiness Shri Mataji, please clear our right channel. Let all the imbalances, all the excess planning and thinking of our right channel be absorbed into the sky element. Again, we keep our complete attention on our right and left hands and witness whatever is flowing from or into our hands. Now we again bring our left hand back on the lap. We take our right hand, stretch it and put it on top of the head on the talu or the fontanelle bone area. We press it so that the center of the palm and the top of our head, the center of our scalp meet. We press it hard. We press it hard and rotate it in the clockwise direction so that the skin moves, not the hair but the skin. We do this slowly for 7 times, keeping complete attention on top of the head. Now we again bring our right hand back on the lap and we sit like this for some time, keeping complete attention on both the hands and on top of the head. Meanwhile, we can also clear every center or give vibrations, bandhan, to every chakra or center. As we had learnt earlier, the lowest chakra is placed here. So, we rotate our hand, right hand, in the clockwise direction and we put it, whatever negative energy comes out of it, we just put it into the water. For every chakra, we do this. Like we said, this is a short method. Foot soak is a short clearance technique. So now, after approximately 5 to 6 minutes, we again finish this process. So how to finish this process? We take the clean water in this vessel, we raise our leg, pour water onto it and place it on this cloth. Then we take our second leg, clean it nicely and place it. We wipe our feet. We give bandhan to this water again to make it clear, clean, positive. Done. Now we don't touch this water again and we go and throw it into the toilet. Now we give ourselves a bandhan once again. Jai Shri Mataji. Now, like we said, this is only a clearance technique. And so, after this, we have to sit for meditation. It is important and supportive. This is important because half our health, mental, and emotional problems will be washed off with this technique. So, it is very important to be done daily. And it is very useful because we can start enjoying our meditation after this clearance technique. So, immediately after this, for some time, we can sit for meditation. Now, with closed eyes. Jai Shri Mataji. We thank Shri Mataji for this clearance and for taking us now. It will help us to take into meditation. So, we thank Shri Mataji for this. Jai Shri Mataji. Now we will sit for meditation. First, we will see how to sit for meditation at home and then we will sit. So, there are 5 steps. In the first step, as we did in the foot soaking technique, we will place our left hand in front of us and right hand towards Mother Earth. This is for balancing our left side. Then we will bring our right hand back on the lap and raise our left hand towards the sky. This is for balancing our right side. Then we will bring our left hand back on the lap, take our right hand, place it on our heart, and we'll take an affirmation here. From now on, all the steps will be carried out with our right hand itself. After this, we will place our right hand on our forehead, press on both the sides, bend our head a little forward, Then we will place our right hand on the back side of our head. Bend our head backwards so that the head rests on our right hand. And finally, again we'll stretch our fingers, place our hand on top of the head, bend our head a little forward, stretch it, stretch all the fingers, press and rotate in the clockwise direction. So to begin our meditation daily, first of all, we will raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan. We join our hands and we pray to Shri Mataji. Your Holiness Shri Mataji, we pray to you for a good meditation so that we achieve a state of mental silence and peace. As we had learnt, before and after meditation, we have to raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan, so we do that now. One knot. Two knots. Three knots. Bandhan. Two. 4. 5. 7. Now we place both our hands on our lap, put our complete attention on top of the head, close our eyes. Sincerely, now we will take those 5 steps. Left hand in front of Shri Mataji, right hand towards Mother Earth. If we are sitting on the ground, then we just place our right hand on the Mother Earth. We will pray, Your Holiness Shri Mataji, by your grace, please let all the imbalances of our left channel be pulled into the Mother Earth. Please clear our left channel. Now we place our right hand on the lap, raise our left hand towards the sky, and we pray, Your Holiness Shri Mataji, by your grace, please let all the imbalances of our right side, right channel be sucked into the sky element. We keep our attention on the left hand and we feel our right side, our right hand. Shri Mataji, please let my ego, my unnecessary planning and thinking be sucked into the sky element. Can we feel coolness on our right side? Now we slowly bring our left hand back on the lap. Take our right hand, place it on the heart. Bend our head a little forward in humility. And we pray, Your Holiness, Sri Mataji, by your grace, I am not this mind, I am not this ego, I am not this brain, I am not this entire identity. I am just the pure spirit. I am the pure spirit. We keep our complete attention in our heart. Now we take our right hand, place it on the forehead, press it a little on both the sides, on both the temples, with complete humility, and for our own mental well-being, we pray, Your Holiness, Sri Mataji, by your grace, I forgive everyone. We don't do anything when we forgive others. We only help ourselves. So, Your Holiness Sri Mataji, by your grace, I forgive everyone. I forgive myself. I forgive everyone. Now, we take our right hand, place it behind our head, bend our head backward, and with complete sincerity we say, Your Holiness, Sri Mataji, if knowingly or unknowingly I have committed any mistakes, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Now, we take our right hand, stretch our fingers, press the center of our palm on top of the head, bend our head a little forward, and rotate our right hand in the clockwise direction. Slowly, very slowly, keeping our complete attention on top of the head, and with complete sincerity, we pray, Sri Mataji, by your grace, please give us our self-realization. Please give us our self-realization. Please give us our self-realization. Now we slowly bring our right hand on our lap. Keep our complete attention on top of the head. We check, we just witness what we feel on our hands and on top of the head. Along our spine in the back. The head. Left palm. Every finger of the left palm. Right palm. Every finger of the right palm. Now we raise our right hand, take it above our head, 1 or 2 inches above. We raise it up, down, move it forward, backward. What do we feel on top of the head? We repeat this process with our left hand. Keep it on top of the head, 1 or 2 inches above. Raise it up, down, forward, backward. Bring our hand down again. Complete attention inside ourselves, on our palms and on top of our head. We sit like this for some time. In front of Shri Mataji's photograph. We will be completely alert and observe what we feel in the form of coolness or even slightly warm, peace, and thoughtless awareness, improvement of mental silence. Just watching. Jai Shri Mataji.
So, how is your experience of foot soaking and meditation? Isn't it fantastic? Yes. The more you do, more you feel excited. See, we have learned so far, after our self-realization on 3rd January, we learned how to meditate at home, how to do foot soaking. Now, what to do for the whole next week? On Monday, when you will get up, of course, Monday is a day which everybody want to avoid, but we have to work. So, every morning you get up, you sit for meditation after getting fresh. Spend some time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Watch your thoughts. Watch the vibrations on both the palm. The more thoughtless awareness will increase, the more deepen will be our meditation. When you are ready to go for your office or start your day, spare 15 minutes before that. Spare 15 minutes before that. And you can first do foot soaking for 10-15 minutes. Before doing foot soak, of course, you have learned to raise Kundalini, take Bandhan. After foot soak, don't forget to throw that water into toilet and just flush it because it is negatively charged. How much time you have to do foot soak? 10 or 15 minutes. Because after that, that water don't have capacity again to reabsorb the imbalances through the body. So 10-15 minutes is enough. While doing foot soak, keep eyes open. And the same tub can be used by other family members also. So make foot soaking as your habit. Whenever you are going out of your home, always raise your Kundalini and take Bandhan. It takes less than 1 and 2 minutes. The reason is when we go out, that is the protective force which avoids wrong people, wrong situations, or even if something wrong is going to happen, it will protect us. When you come back again to home, raise the Kundalini and take Bandhan. Because these days is a pandemic situation. When you are going out, there are chances of bringing some negative elements again back to the home. In evening, whenever you find time or when you are back to home, again go fresh up and do foot soaking and follow the meditation afterwards. If you are getting late from your work, at least before sleeping, you must do foot soaking at least once. After doing the foot soak, when you have a sleep, you will find the change that you have a very good sound sleep. The reason is it cleanses your body, it relaxes you, and you can have good sleep. Through foot soaking, your vibrations will improve. You will feel always energy to work. You will be always relaxed internally. You are working and all the energy and efficiency will change a lot just through morning, evening meditation and foot soak. It's such an important thing. See, we all are practicing Sahaja Yoga more than 20 to 25 years. But wherever we are, at home or in hotel or outside, we do foot soak and then only we sleep. Try it for 7 days. It's for our own benefit. And see, once the more vibrations you have, you will be the source of joy and peace, and that will be surrounded among you. Even other family members will recognize, oh, there is so much change in him. He is all the time now energetic. So in these difficult times, if you want to be having energetic approach, we don't get any tablets to eat and improve our energy. This is the inner energy sitting in our body. So our Kundalini makes everything possible. Next week when we meet, we'll be again covering two topics. So every time we meet, we first do meditation and we will be learning some knowledge about one topic. So next time we will learn in detail 3 channels and our 7 energy centers. So that is the first session on next coming Saturday. The next Sunday, we'll be teaching you the way we this time learn foot soaking. The another treatment we are going to learn, that is about how to use Agni Tattva. The foot soak is about Jala Tattva. Next time we'll learn about Agni Tattva. So that is called as a candle treatment. So where we use the candle and through the fire element, how to clean our left channel and energy centers residing on our left. The reason is the left channel is for our health. For balanced health, the left channel has to be into balance. All the negative attacks happen from the left channel. So next week, please don't miss these both the sessions. 3 channels and 7 energy center, and next session about candle treatment. Promise ourselves that we will meditate and do foot soaking for our own benefit. All the source of knowledge, it comes from our very own Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who founded Sahaja Yoga meditation on 5th May 1970, and almost every country is practicing this meditation technique by way of meditation at home and collective weekly meditation centers. It was her dream and vision that everybody in this world to get his self-realization, to learn Sahaja Yoga meditation and bring change in own life. Sahaja Yoga is for inner transformation. So on this note, we'll take a break and see you next week. Wish you all a very happy next week. Thank you so much. Take care. Take care of your family. Jai Shri Mataji.